Today we're going to introduce the T3DSO3000HD oscilloscope by Teledyne Test Tools. T3DSO3000HD oscilloscopes feature 12-bit resolution on all 4 analog channels at up to 1 GHz bandwidth. 12-bit resolution shows you more details and less noise on the waveform with low noise floor. It displays 16 digital channels mixed signal analysis. Each model provides a maximum sample rate of 4 gigasamples per second and a maximum memory depth of 400 megapoints per channel. With the addition of a user-friendly UI design, the large 10.1-inch capacitive touchscreen display supports multi-touch gestures, greatly improving operation efficiency. T3DSO3000HDs offers an external 50 MHz waveform generator with 7 different waveform types. The T3DSO3000HD offers up to 4 math traces. Select sources from channels 1 through 4, zoom traces, math, or memory, 4 megapoints FFT, and zone trigger for a more convenient way to debug, with a maximum waveform capture rate of up to 890,000 waveforms per second on all 4 analog channels as a standard feature. This oscilloscope offers history mode, search and navigate functions, serial decode options, mask testing, and more. Power tools such as Bode plot and power analysis are also included as a standard option. The T3DSO3000HD oscilloscope series allows you to debug with confidence. For more information, click on the link.